Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, in today's video we are going to be making hair growth oil. Like I will always say, it is better to always go for DIY because that way you know what is actually going into your hair. So guys, I'm going to be using coconut oil, olive oil, palm kernel oil and rosemary oil. Feel free to use any oil that works for you. I'm just using what I know works best for me. So guys, I'm going to place this in a pot of hot water, not boiled water. I'm doing this because I'm going to be adding some herbs to the oil and I want it to infuse properly. So I'm going to leave it there while I'm just going to be adding everything I want to add. But if you have the time, you can leave it to infuse for like 24 hours. And our hair growth oil is ready, guys. I can assure you that this works like magic. I have been using it and I can tell you that it works very well. Just make sure you apply this to your scalps and massage it very well. Then also remember to apply it on your ends. So guys, that will be all for this video. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button you're seeing by the side of this video, and stay safe till I see you in my next video. Bye bye.